for question 1 on this worksheet, I'll go over that again. So if you're getting 100% interest, after a full year, you get exactly what you had put in. So you have a total of 2A. But if this is compounded monthly, after every month, you're not going to get your full A amount of dollars. You're just going to get 1/12. So every month, we'll multiply the amount of money we have by 1 plus 1/12. So after 12 months, we're going to have, and I'm going to use my calculator to do this, I have 1 plus 1/12, and I'm raising that to the 12th. So we end up with 2.613 times A, which again, big jump. If we're going to do this weekly, we're going to have 1 plus 1 over 52. Every week we're going to get 1/52 of that 100%, but then we're going to do this 52 times. So again, I'm going to have 1 plus 1 divided by 52 raised to the 52 power, which gives me 2.6926A. Not such a big jump. Daily, I'm going to have A times 1 plus, well, we have 365 days in a year. And we will calculate this 365 times. So 1 plus 1 divided by 365, but raised to the 365th power is 2.71456, or 457A. Hourly, well, for each hour there's 24, for each day there are 24 hours. So 365 times 24 is 8760. So this is A times 1 plus 1 over 8760, and we will calculate this for each of those hours. So 1 plus 1 divided by 8760 to the 8760 gives us 2.718126691. A by the minute, well, I'm going to take that 8700 and I'm going to multiply it by 60. So this becomes A times 1 plus 1 over 525600 to the power of 525600. Which is going to give us 2.718279A. And at this point, you are getting the idea that, that this multiplier isn't changing a whole lot. And it's getting very close to 2.718 something, something, something. And that is, in fact, what E is. And if you read question 2, I talk about indeterminate form. And 0 over 0 is indeterminate because there's a tension. 0 divided by some number is always 0, but any number divided by something close to 0 is going to be infinity, and the same number over the same number is 1. So this is indeterminate form because basically we don't know what's going on with that. 1 to the infinity is also indeterminate form. If this number is a little bit bigger than 1, it will be infinity. If this number is a little bit less than 1, it's going to be approaching 0. But what we have over here is where we have 1 plus 1 over n. So this is getting increasingly close to 1 to the n, right? So this is basically a 1 to the infinity situation. And what we're saying is that what we've noticed is that if we take the limit as n approaches infinity of this thing, we get very, very close to this 2.718 irrational number, and that is called Euler's number, not Euler's, Euler's number. And it's kind of interesting and very useful, especially in calculus.